Welcome to the ultimate guide on requesting your Chime credit card statement online. Are you ready to take full control of your finances with just a few clicks? Well, stick around because in today's explainer, we're going to walk through every essential step so you can become an absolute master of your digital finances. You know, getting access to your own financial data really shouldn't be a chore, and today we'll see exactly how seamless it can actually be.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our syllabus for today's explainer. We've got 1. The power of your statement. 2. Accessing your statement. 3. Decoding your billing cycle. 4. Advanced tools. 5. Troubleshooting. And 6. Disclosures. All right, let's jump right in.
Section 1. The power of your statement. Mastering digital banking.
So it's pretty important to understand the landscape we're dealing with here. Chime partners with regional powerhouses like the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank to give you a really user-friendly digital-first banking experience. And their fee structure brilliantly illustrates why so many people are making the switch. I mean, think about it. Traditional retail banks will literally nickel and dime you. We're talking an average of $12 a month just for maintenance, plus another $2 to $3 just to mail you a piece of paper, right? But Chime, they completely eliminate those overhead costs. $0 monthly maintenance fees and $0 for your digital statements. You're literally keeping more of your own money just by managing things online.
Moving on to Section 2. Accessing your online statement. Desktop and mobile paths. All right, let's explore exactly how to quickly grab these vital documents. We'll start with the primary mobile pathway. So picture your phone screen right now. Starting up at the top left, you're going to tap your profile icon. From that menu, just hit Settings. Next, scroll on down until you spot the Documents tab. And finally, tap View Statements. Boom. Right there, you'll find a nice chronological list of your monthly statements, all teed up for a secure PDF download right to your device. It's honestly that intuitive. But hey, what if you're right in the middle of managing your money? Well, Chime actually has a secondary mobile pathway designed specifically for active users. So if you're already poking around in the app, just open up the Move Money tab at the bottom. From there, tap the Statements button, pick the billing month you want, and hit Download for your PDF file. This is an absolutely fantastic shortcut if you're in the middle of executing transfers and just need to quickly double-check your billing data. Now, for those of you who like a full, print-ready layout on a bigger screen, the desktop portal is definitely the way to go. You'll just head over to chime.com and log in. And because Chime doesn't mess around with security, you will need to complete an SMS two-factor verification text just to prove it's really you. Once you're authenticated and looking at your dashboard, just click the Statements button. It's super secure, it's easy to navigate, and it's perfect if you want to print out physical copies for your files. Okay, Section 3. Decoding your billing cycle, key dates, and automation. Listen, getting the statement is only half the battle, right? Understanding the timeline is where you actually gain true financial control. And this is especially crucial if you're using the Chime Secured Credit Builder card, because it has a pretty unique timeline compared to standard revolving credit lines. Every single month, like clockwork, your statement is generated on the 28th. Chime even shoots you an automated email so you know it's ready. Now, if you have autopay turned on, that payment is going to trigger anywhere between 1 and 10 days after that statement date. And the final, hard deadline, your due date is always the 23rd of the following month. Locking this timeline into your brain ensures you literally never miss a beat. And building on that timeline, for those of you using the secured card, enabling the safer credit building feature is a total game changer. Since your credit limit is directly tied to your deposit balance, this automated feature just settles your credit card balance using the cash you've already parked in your secured deposit account. Like we said, it happens 1 to 10 days after your statement drops. By turning this on, you're basically turning your statement data into a proactive, hands-free tool to boost your credit health and just completely wipe out any risk of falling behind on a payment. All right, moving to Section 4, Advanced Tools for Financial Health, Reconciliation and Security. So now that you have your statement, it's time to actually use that data. Whether you're matching up official statements with your own expense trackers, or maybe you're doing something fancy like using optical character recognition to pull those PDFs into Excel to optimize your budget. Your timeline to act is critical. The crucial takeaway here is this. Once you start reviewing your data, keep this one magic number in your head, 60. Under the Electronic Fund Transfer Act, you have exactly 60 days from the date your statement is generated to report any errors or dispute unfamiliar charges. This is exactly why pulling your statement right on the 28th is so incredibly important. If you snooze, you lose that federal protection window. Let's do a quick micro scenario here. Imagine you download your PDF, you're looking it over, and whoa, you spot an unauthorized charge. You need to act right then and there. Step 1, open your account settings in the app. Step 2, instantly freeze that card by toggling off Allow Transactions. Step 3,
Jump to your activity feed, tap the suspicious transaction, and just follow the in-app prompts to file a dispute. The whole thing is designed to be lightning fast, ultra secure, and totally in your control. Which brings us to Section 5, troubleshooting and customer support, solving common issues. Look, technology glitches sometimes, but before you spend your time reaching out to support, try these rapid-fire step-by-step fixes. First, check Chime's online status page to see if they're having a known system outage. If not, just do the classic restart of your mobile device. Still stuck? Dive into your phone settings and clear your Chime app's cache. And if literally all else fails, just delete and reinstall the app completely. Doing these quick checks will honestly empower you to solve like 90% of login errors before you even have to talk to anybody. But hey, if those steps don't cut it, Chime does offer 3 distinct support channels. Use the phone for urgent or complex stuff. Think missing transfers or suspected fraud. Use the live chat inside the app for quick, simple questions when you just want a really fast answer. And use email for non-urgent stuff where you might need to build a written paper trail or send over documents. Basically, just pick the channel that actually fits your situation. And speaking of the phone, do me a favor and burn this number into your memory. 1-844-244-6363. That is Chime's 24/7 customer support line. If you are ever locked out, if your phone gets stolen and you literally can't get your 2-factor texts, or if you need to report major fraud, this number is your absolute lifeline. Finally, Section 6, important disclosures and conclusion. We have covered a massive amount of ground today, from finding your statement in the app menus to automating your credit building, all the way to protecting your account from fraud. Proactively managing your digital statements isn't just a chore, it is honestly the absolute foundation of your financial wellness. Before we wrap things up completely, please review this important disclosure. This explainer is for informational purposes only. The information provided is subject to change and should not be considered financial advice. For personalized guidance, please contact a financial advisor or Chime customer support directly. And that brings us to the end of today's explainer. I want to leave you with this one thought. How will you use your newly unlocked digital finance mastery to optimize your budget this month? Go ahead, log in, pull that statement, and take absolute charge of your financial future today. Thanks so much for joining me, and as always, keep learning.